Good morning with the dog. Good morning with the doggy.
So it's 7:06 in the morning. We had a ticket that says that it's we can enter Machu Picchu at 6, but the tour guide said that
That's too early.
yeah, it could be 2 hours within that time. So 6 to 8 maybe we can enter. And so they told us to just go here at the plaza. It's a small plaza in Aguas Calientes and wait for them. And the guy just took our passports so that he can buy us bus tickets.
Yeah.
Told us to wait here for 10 minutes. Hopefully he'll come back.
Hopefully he'll come back because he got our passports.
Passports.
We don't know how we'll go back to our country if we don't have those.
So from here we take the bus to Machu Picchu. That will be he says half an hour.
Yeah, half an hour, just a half an hour. That's why people here are in no rush. Like nobody's in any rush here.
Yeah, you would be coming here and thinking that wow, I'm going to one of the 7 wonders of the world, and for them it's just Machu Picchu, guys.
Right.
Relax.
Like you prepared all your life for this, and then with them like
just
sleep.
relax. Just sleep, relax. Don't go there too early. You'll be fine.
So we hope that we'll enjoy this day, and we're very excited to see one of the wonders of the world.
Yeah. See you there.
This is our room at Machu Picchu Pueblo. This was arranged by our tour guide.
We have one single, one double. We have a view of
The stairs.
the stairs.
We have a TV.
We have a cozy bathroom.
Action.
Tiene calentador.
No sé.
Ya.
And then that's it.
𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿.
Ojalá que está cómodo. Hola, buenos días.
This is locuma, an exotic fruit in Peru.
We tried to taste the other ice creams, but we figured there's a lot of those in the US, and this, we don't have it, so why not?
And, so we just finished our Machu Picchu visit. It was fun.
So hot.
It took, we started around, maybe we started boarding the bus at around 8 and we finished around 11 up there. So we arrived in Aguas Calientes around 1, I think.
Some things that we would recommend to you is that you go very early. Because initially we booked a ticket for 6 a.m. However, when we got here in Aguas Calientes, our guide said, oh, we can start at 7. That's no problem. There's not going to be a lot of people there.
There was a lot of people.
There was a lot of people.
So you just have to be patient. If you want to take pictures without people, you just have to wait. And there's going to be lines. Yeah.
And I know a lot of you guys love, would love to buy the big
Ponchos.
the big ponchos, and it's nice. It's very nice in pictures. We were actually thinking about getting one yesterday just for the pictures, just for the heck of it. We're at Machu Picchu, but we were so happy that we did it because it's just really hot.
Because Machu Picchu is remember that Machu Picchu is not in the mountains, it's in the forest. So the weather is tropical. So you will get rid of your layers eventually once you're up there.
And then when you go in, before you go in, before you even enter the ticketing center, the restroom is at the first floor.
Yeah.
I mean, when you get off the bus, ask for the restroom right away. Because some of them, they don't, like our guide didn't tell us that the restroom is only there at the...
There's no restroom in Machu Picchu.
No.
Inside.
So we have to run all the way back there to go to the restroom. So go there first if that's a problem with you. And then it's only one way.
Yeah, you can go back. So if you find the spot that you want to take pictures in, take all the pictures you want. because you can't go back. And you can't use selfie sticks either. If you want to do jump shots, you can't do that.
No carrying.
No carrying, no lifting, because they want to take care that no one gets hurt. Because remember that you're on top of a mountain. If you jump and you fall off, that's going to be catastrophic.
Yeah, there's a lot of infrastructures there. So no selfie sticks, no jumping, no food. No food. You can bring your water, but no food. What else? Bring your sunscreen. It's so hot. If you really want to have a picture at that area, I advise you get it.
Yeah.
Don't just go and thinking that you can just come back, because you can't.
You can come back.
You can't.
Take your time.
Take your time. You paid for it. You waited for this moment to be in this place.
Yeah. Most likely you're not going to go back to Machu Picchu again. So take all the good pictures if you're in the land.
Yes. Like with us, I'm never gonna get out of that place if I know that I didn't get the good picture, because we waited for this time. Like with everybody else, we paid and we want to enjoy our stay there. So just take it easy.
After the tour, the guide will just leave you and you're on your way. You can go down from the mountain on foot. It will be an hour going down the mountain, I think, or more than, maybe a couple of hours. Or you can ride the bus again.
I think that's 60 minutes.
60 minutes.
60 minutes you can walk all the way down from Machu Picchu.
Half an hour on the bus.
Yeah, but we decided to just use there are also, always bring your mask, because there are areas at Machu Picchu that they want you to wear your mask.
Yeah, you should be wearing your mask all the time.
Yes.
You can only take it off when you're taking pictures.
Yeah, but the thing is, sometimes it's just, I know we should be wearing our mask, but it's just that sometimes it's hard to breathe. It's hot, and then sometimes it's so yeah. Just wear your mask. And then what else? Bring water and enjoy your time at Machu Picchu. When you get back to Aguas Calientes, and if you're very, 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 very hungry, that you don't care anymore, you just want to eat, go to Mercado.
They have fast meals because it's an eatery, it's a canteen.
Like with us, we just eat arroz con huevo and some vegetables in there, and it only cost us 7 soles, and it only took her less than 3 minutes. Especially if you're very hungry, you can just eat. And then there's also a lot of places here that you can visit at Machu Picchu Pueblo. We're just waiting for our train. Ciao.
So we're now down at the ruins. The guide said that we already took the best pictures, so we don't have to stop and take pictures here, but we still will.
So we're going back now to Ollantaytambo.
Make sure that you have your mask with you. They will not let you enter.
Yeah. You can try, but they will never let you in.